Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be starting my organization series, starting with my closet. So I'm going to break up how I organize my closet into all of the different categories and give you tips on how to organize them. I'm going to include links for some of the products that I use. Not only am I going to show you how I organize a lot of them, I'm going to show you exactly how I fold them as well. So today's video is going to be how I organize and fold my pants. So I have this open closet upstairs in our attic, and I had these shelves installed with these little rods, and because of the angled ceiling, really nothing can fit on top right here. So I changed the way I organize my pants a few different times, but I finally decided just to roll them up and stick them on top of the shelf because really nothing else would fit. So I decided to roll my pants and then display them in correspondence with the colors of my dresses that I will get into soon. And I got these shelves from Walmart.com actually, and I love them. They are made very, very well. My dad mounted them to the wall and they have been holding up with a lot of weight for a couple years now. So I will link those down below. So the color system that I use starting from the left to the right is starting with black and white or pattern things first. Then going to my black pants, and I roll up my jeggings as well. So I have a lot of jeggings here. And then gray, purple, dark blue, and then regular blue jean, green, any orange or gold that I have, and then red. And then I would put pink, beige, and white if I had any of those colors. So yeah, I really love how this turned out. If you don't have a shelf like this, you could put these in a drawer or you could stack them in a cube organizer as well, whatever works for you. Now to show you how I fold these, you just start with your pants laying face up and then you fold it in half like this. You want to smooth it out, make sure it's nice and crease free. Then you're going to pull up from the bottom just a little bit of the pant and fold it over diagonally like this. Then from the top of the pants, you're going to just slowly roll them up. You want to do this nice and tightly, and then you're just going to keep rolling past that crease, and so you'll have this little flap hanging off when you're done rolling. Then you stick your hand inside this flap, and what you're going to do is reverse it so it's inside out, and it makes a little wrap for your pants, and it holds them all together. This is super quick and easy to do, and it doesn't crease them or anything like that. So this is how I fold and store my pants. This is just what I do, what works for me. So hopefully this can give you guys some ideas. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more hacks on how to organize your closet or sort things or fold things, then make sure to hit that subscribe button because I'm going to have an entire playlist of all of the different subcategories of my closet, and eventually I'm going to be doing other areas of my home as well. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the rest of the series. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.